Oh, you got some? Yeah, we're out here in the pool right now. Okay. Got him? Croaker? Croaker. Wait, that's a trout? Oh, yeah, that's a nice trout. Oh, Solomon, you got something? Oh, got it?
So it's too small?
Yeah. Look at them teeth. Come on, Solomon. Hey, man, you just got one? There you go. Oh, you got one right now? How am I not catching it? Triple up. Kinda. Oh, another little croaker, I think. I'll get back to y'all when I actually catch something. Yeah, when I catch something. Turn to drag? Yep. Horseshoe crab. Oh. He really is too. He caught a round head. Look at that beautiful round head. But his head's not round. Take that picture of that beautiful round head with that beautiful, non-beautiful Xander.
I already did the big one, right?
You got a hook in your mouth, son?
Oh, what type of fish is that?
It's a round head. It's shit. Y'all fish right?
Get the squid! Get the squid! Right here.
I'm infected.